need you to print the meeting reports that we did. All the agencies wanted.
Yeah, so what were we supposed to do yesterday that we did not do?
We're changing the way businesses look, businesses interact with people. We're changing the way businesses make money. The leadership of the business,
Like you already have an idea, but then it's not built on anything.
Then position in Ancha.
Jesus. What? Mom, we have to shoot again, no? Eh? She go and stand up and move him. You must be joking. Now let's start what again now.
I'm so happy to be here.
You love your job.
Alright.
Please wait. Come on, you're not going home.